Mhm.
Hi, my name is Daniel, and this is what I did and this is my final project for Python 2. This project was inspired by my enjoyment of guessing games, and as you can see, I chose Hangman. So what did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about functions and lists, which I used a lot in my project. So on the left, it's a it's part of the output for list, and on the right, it's part of the output for functions. Two code examples for the list and functions. On the left, uh, it's a list for of the stages for Hangman, and on the right is the function called getLetter and getUserInput.
Okay. Daniel, I have one question. So for your guest letter function, how many parameters is the function taking in?
I have 5 parameters for getLetter, which are guess, word, correct attempts, wrong attempts, and attempts remaining.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
And in quick demonstration. So to start, it says welcome to Hangman. And then, so as you can see, these underscores are your current like progress, and then this is your Hangman stages. So it starts off with 9 attempts because none of my words go above 9 letters. So it says to give up, type give up to give up, and in this case, no. So it works like normal Hangman where you choose a letter and it tells you if it's wrong or right. If it's wrong, it puts a stage in the Hangman. It puts the letter you guessed in the incorrect guesses and it subtracts one from attempts remaining. And basically that keeps repeating. Well, my favorite part about working on this project was definitely adding the words. I played a lot around with ChatGPT to see how many words it could do.
So how many words do you have right there?
That is exactly 1,000 words
Okay, wow, that's a lot.
that are all less than 9 letters.
Yeah.
So, how I could improve on my project? If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add a function to let the user type in full words, a timer, and definitely hints. Thank you.